Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create this repeat pattern in IBIS Paint X. First of all, create 1:1 ratio canvas. I am going to draw elements for the pattern. I am using ballpoint pen for this, ballpoint pen brush for this, and drawing an abstract flower and abstract leaves. These are the elements I am going to use. First, in one layer I am drawing abstract flower with two leaves, and in another layer I am going to draw a few more leaves in different shapes. So same elements all over makes like very simple pattern. To make it look more beautiful, we need different shapes, different elements. So once I am done with this flower, I am creating new layer and drawing leaves with dark teal blue color, because one or two elements is not enough to create a beautiful complex pattern. Creating more elements, like about 5 will cover up the entire space and it will look more beautiful. Once I'm done with that, I'm just duplicating the flower layer here. If you can just duplicate the elements in two ways. One, you can just draw a single element in each layer and duplicate the layer and then transform it to smaller size or change the angles. Or other way is you can draw all the elements in single layer, and using lasso tool that I'm using now, just copy and paste. The pasted element will be in a new layer and you can just drag wherever you want. So these are the two ways you can copy and paste the elements, once by duplicating the layer and by using lasso tool. Make sure you don't add any element to the corners of the canvas, because if you add it to the corner, like the element is cropping in that way, it's gonna affect the pattern. The pattern will not look seamless. It will be looking like a cropped image and will not look good. So make sure it is not on the corner, but you can add very nearer to it, but the shape is fully inside the canvas. Make sure to do like that. And to fill the empty elements, I'm using dots here and there. I don't want more white space, so I'm doing this. Okay, once I'm filling the entire canvas, I'm going to create a folder to add all the layers inside that folder, because each and every element are in different layers. I can only transform to a layer. So if I perform transform to each and every layer, it looks like collapsed. So I'm dragging everything inside a folder and then using transform tool to that layer and folder layer. This pattern will be created. I'm just on the repeat option in the transform and changing the angle little bit, and the beautiful pattern is ready instantly, and of course it is seamless. So this is beautiful, and I hope you like this tutorial. If you find it useful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.